Introduction to Intellectual Property Rights Part 2. In this video, we're going to provide a brief introduction to intellectual property rights with a particular focus on trademarks. Hello everyone, my name is Babak Akhlaghi, a patent attorney with NovoTechIP International, where we secure your assets through intellectual property, IP for short. I'm also a co-author of the Patent Applications Handbook and a former adjunct faculty at the University of Maryland, College Park, where I taught courses relating to the legal aspects of startups. If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button. The links to everything we will mention in this video are also below. Please make sure you stay until the end, where I'll share a tip on how to properly conduct a trademark search and see whether the name you wish to trademark has been taken by someone else already. This should hopefully save you some legal fees. Let's get into it. So, what are intellectual property rights? As the name suggests, intellectual property rights are those that are created by intellects, minds. They include copyrights, trademarks, trade secrets, and patents. In Part 1, we covered copyrights. Here, in Part 2, we'll cover trademarks, and in subsequent videos, we'll turn our attention to trade secrets and patents. Before we turn our attention to trademarks, let's briefly talk about why intellectual property rights are important. Intellectual property rights can be the most valuable asset a company, particularly a startup, could possess. They can help startups attract investors, raise capital, protect market share by preventing or deterring competitors from offering competing products or services, and can even help to reduce the possibility of expensive litigations. With all the benefits they offer, intellectual property rights should be given the highest priority and must be carefully thought of and protected. With this overview, let's turn our attention to trademarks. What is a trademark? A trademark is any word, name, symbol, or device that is used in commerce to identify and distinguish goods from those offered by competitors and to indicate the source of the goods. For example, the name or logo of your company placed on a product sold in commerce. Some of the most famous examples include Coca-Cola and McDonald's. Used in commerce simply means the mark is placed on goods and the goods are sold or transported in commerce, for example, online or in the store. Registration. Similar to copyrights, there is no registration requirement for trademarks. It is born as soon as you use the mark in commerce to identify and distinguish your goods from those of competitors. However, similar to copyrights, trademark registration offers key advantages. For example, the registration provides an independent third-party verification that your mark is not similar to any other mark that is registered with the Trademark Office. Most importantly, registration will provide you with nationwide protection and prevents others from registering the same or similar mark for the same goods or services as the ones you provide. Duration. A trademark is valid as long as it is used in commerce and is capable of distinguishing your goods from those offered by competitors. So, pretty much as long as it is not abandoned and continues to be used as a mark for distinguishing your goods and indicating their source. Tip number 1. The Trademark Office provides an electronic search system to determine if a mark has been registered or has a pending application. To search for a trademark, you can visit the website and choose a searching option. The basic wordmark search option offers quick and simple keyword searching. Once the basic wordmark option is selected, you can enter one or more search terms in the search box and choose whether to search for live, dead, or both live and dead marks. Live refers to marks that have active applications or registrations, while dead is used to refer to marks with expired registrations or abandoned applications. To ensure you get a sense of all similar marks, choose the option to search for both live and dead marks. Once you've entered your search terms, you can press the Submit Query button to submit your search. The search results will display a list of marks that are closely related to your search terms. You can click on each search result to get more information about the mark, such as the goods and services associated with the mark. To ensure that your search does not miss any similar mark, make sure to search for both the exact mark as well as alternate spellings and similar sounding words. Tip number 2. If you haven't yet started using the mark in commerce but intend to do so in the near future, you can still seek a trademark protection for it by filing what is called an intent to use trademark application. In this type of application, you simply identify the mark and the goods sold in connection with the mark in commerce. Once the application is allowed by the Trademark Office, you have 6 months to provide evidence of actual use in commerce to receive the actual registration from the Trademark Office. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please click the like button and/or place your comments below. I would love to read them.